Well, hello there, friend. Thanks so much for stopping by and thanks for hanging out. Andrew Najera here at Drew Installs Hardware. Today we're going to be installing a cylindrical handle set on this door that has no cylindrical handle set prep. Let's get to it. This is just a temporary solution for our customer. They needed to get some piece of locking hardware on this door as soon as possible so they could open up this restroom for their customer. So we're going to throw this lock on for them real quick and let's see how we do that. So these locks come with templates, and they'll have a high side bevel, which is for the pull side, and that's what you see me marking here. I set it up on the pull side, then I change where I bend that template, because then they have a low side also. So I've marked it now on both sides using the template that's supplied, and you see that progress there. I got mark there, and we got a mark on the push side as well. And then so here, now I'm going to use my drill block with a 3/16 inch bit, a long bit, and I'm going to drill all the way through the door. Why mark both sides if you're drilling all the way through from one side? That is an excellent question. The reason I do that is just to double check my work. I've drilled so many holes in the wrong spots over the years. I mean, I can't tell you how many times I've drilled holes in the wrong spots. So if I mark both sides and drill all the way through, and on the other side it comes through on my mark, I know I'm good to go. Here I'm holding up the strike plate where the strike plate would be installed, and I'm marking where the latch bolt's going to go. So here's the progress. We have pilot holes drilled everywhere where I need to put a hole. Right there, and there. That's great. And then I got a hole drilled in the frame where the latch is going to go. They're going to be re-prepping this frame. Like I said, they're getting a new door, everything. Here I'm putting a 2 1/8 inch hole through the door. When you get that little block, you got to save that, put it on your mantle. That's a souvenir. That's a French word meaning to remember. All right, yes. We got that 1 inch hole drilled on the edge of the door. I'm going to throw that latch bolt in there now and mark the area I need to chisel out so that latch bolt will be flush once it's installed. Hey, we're making good progress here. Good job. All right. What's next? Well, I'm drilling the 5 1/16 inch holes that are for the mounting posts for that cylindrical handle set. Easy enough. All right. Let's give us an update on what we're looking at. Here we are. This is what we got so far. We got our cylindrical handle set holes prepped. I gotta chisel that material out for the latch bolt. But other than that, we're looking good. How you gonna chisel that out, Drew? Well, okay, yeah, I'm gonna drill the mounting holes before I chisel out the material, because I marked it on the material I gotta chisel out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take me a multi-tool with a thin blade, and this is the equivalent of what a beaver would do if they were trying to get rid of this same material. So you'll see that here in a second. It looks like a beaver went at it. But this is, as I said, it's a temporary door, and this thing's going to get replaced, and when it's all said and done at the end, it'll be great. Temporary solution here. So let's put that latch bolt in there. It's looking good. And I'm testing that latch bolt all the way through. Oh, the beaver got to it. I'm testing that latch bolt all the way through because since I am removing the material, if you remove the material in an uneven way and then crank down on these mounting screws, you can twist that latch bolt up and it'll be hanging up on you. So as I put the screws in and as I'm checking it out, I keep pushing in on that latch bolt, testing it. It's always a good idea to test it as you go. All right, now here comes the outside of the handle set, and this cylindrical handle set has an indicator. It's just a privacy function, but it's got an indicator on the outside that says if it's occupied or not, which I think is super cool. I didn't even realize they made cylindrical locks like that. So now I'm putting the inside mounting plate on. There's just 2 mounting screws that go with that. And on this style, on the back side of each of these mounting plates, they got little pokies that poke into the door and keep the handle from twisting. So it's not gonna, when you just throw it up there, it doesn't sit flush because those little pokey things on the back haven't dug into the door yet, and they dig in once you tighten those screws. So I'm sure they have much more technical names than pokey things, but they're pokey, that's for sure. Okay, that handle set's basically installed. I mean, what are we waiting for? Oh, you're gonna put the inside rose on. The inside rose got a little dimple on it that lines up with the slot in the edge of the mounting plate, and then you line it up, then you twist it. That's what holds it on, and then you're just gonna pop the inside lever on. Excelente, great job. Oh, it don't latch yet though, because I haven't made a big enough hole in the frame yet. And that's what I'm gonna do now. I was in an occupied building. I didn't want to make a ton of noise, so I kind of went about this a little bit different way. You'll see what I did here. I removed the material. I have a die grinder, I got jigsaws, I got grinding wheels, I got lots of different things. Tried to keep it clean and not make it too much noise for the customer. Oh man, thanks so much for hanging out with me. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please share it with a friend, and I got more videos coming your way, so thanks so much, and I'll catch you next time.